Okay, so let's have this topic. So to find the solution of a quadratic equations by factoring, so from this given quadratic equation, to find the factors, so first we need to write this x to both factors. So we have x and x. Then for the last term, that's negative 14. So we need to find the factors of this negative 14. Since this one is negative, so therefore one of the factor is negative and one is positive. Because negative times positive, that's negative. Then in the given, since the middle term is negative, so therefore in the factors, the bigger number must be negative. So for the factors of this negative 14, that's negative 14 times positive 1. So one negative and one positive, and the bigger number must be negative. We also have negative 7 times positive 2. Then add these two factors. So negative 14 plus 1, that's negative 13. And negative 7 plus 2, that's negative 5. Since the middle term is negative 5, so therefore the factors of this negative 14 are negative 7 and positive 2. So we have negative 7 and positive 2. Then to find out the solution of this quadratic equation, we just need to equate these factors to 0. So x plus 2 equals 0. Then to solve for x, so we have x equals, transpose this negative 7, that's positive 7, and x equals, transpose this positive 2, that's negative 2. So these are now the solution of this quadratic equation. Then for this given, so to find the factors, so first we need to write this 3x to both sides of the factors. So 3x and 3x. Then for the last term, we need to multiply this 3 to negative 15. So 3 times negative 15, that's negative 45. Then to find the factors of this negative 45, so since negative, so one of the factor is negative and one is positive. Then in the given, since the middle term is positive, so therefore the bigger number of the factor must be positive. So for the factors of negative 45, that's positive 45 times negative 1. So the bigger number must be positive. We also have 15 times negative 3 and also 9 times negative 5. Then add the factors. So this one is positive 44, this one is positive 12, and this one is positive 4. Since the middle term is positive 4, so therefore the factors are 9 and negative 5. So we have positive 9 and negative 5. Then to find now the solution of this quadratic equation, so we just need to equate these factors to 0. So we have 3x plus 9 equals 0. And the other one, 3x minus 5 equals 0. Then to solve for x, so we have 3x equals transpose, that's negative 9. And the other one, 3x equals transpose, That's positive 5. Then to solve for x, to divide both sides by 3. So therefore x is equal to negative 3. Then the other one, so divide by 3. So therefore x is equal to 5 over 3. So these are now the solution of this quadratic equation. Then for this given, so to find the factors, so again, we need to write this 5y to both factors, so 5y and 5y. Then for the third term, we need to multiply this 5. So 5 times 20, that's 100. Then to find the factors of this 100, since this one is positive, so the factors can be all positive or all negative, because negative times negative is positive. Then since in the given, the middle term is negative, so therefore all the factors must be negative. So to find now the factors of this 100, so you can have 100 times negative 1, negative 50 times negative 2, negative 25 times negative 4, negative 20 times negative 5. Then add the factors. So this one is negative 101. Add the factors. This one is negative 52. This one is negative 29. And this one is negative 25. Since the middle term is negative 29, so therefore the factors are negative 25 and negative 4. So we have negative 25 and negative 4. Then to find out the solution of this quadratic equation, so equate these factors to 0 and the other one, so 5y minus 4 equals 0. Then to solve for y, so we have 5y equals transpose, that's positive 25, then divide both sides by 5, cancel, so therefore y is equal to positive 5. Then the other one, so 5y equals transpose, that's positive 4, then divide both sides by 5, so therefore y is equal to positive 4 over 5. So these are now the solution of this quadratic equation.